to Badian Canyoneering! Alright!
If you're looking for one adventure in Cebu that will push you out of your comfort zone, this is it. Welcome to Kawasan Falls, one of the most thrilling experiences you can do in the Philippines. This adventure starts at Canloob River in Badian, where you gear up, meet your guide, and mentally prepare yourself for what's ahead. Helmet on, life vest secured, and suddenly, there's no turning back. From the very first step, you're already navigating through massive boulders, slippery rocks, narrow canyons, paths carved by years of rushing water. This is not walk in the park. It's nature testing your balance, your courage, and sometimes your sanity. Then comes the fun part, cliff jumps, not just cute little jumps. Some drops reach up to 30 feet. You stand at the edge, heart pounding, guide shouting encouragement, water roaring below. One deep breath, and you jump. The splash hits hard, the adrenaline rush hits harder, and suddenly you're laughing like a kid again. Between jumps, you slide down natural rock formations, shaped perfectly by the river. The current pulls you, spins you, and reminds you that nature is very much in control here. You swim through crystal clear turquoise water that looks straight out of the postcard, no filter needed. What makes Badian Canyoneering special is the scenery. Towering cliffs, lush greenery, echoing canyon walls, and water so blue it almost feels unreal. Every few steps you stop and think, how is this place even real? And just when you think you've done it all, the trail opens up to Kawasan Falls, a three-stage cascading waterfall and easily one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Cold, powerful, and incredibly refreshing. After everything you've just conquered, this experience isn't just about the adrenaline. It's about trust, trusting your guide, trusting the process, and trusting yourself to do things you didn't think you could. You can share this adventure with other travelers or go private with friends and family. Either way, the energy is contagious. Strangers turns into teammates, fear into laughter, and by the end, everyone's bonded by the same wild experience. Badian Canyoneering is not for the faint of heart, but if you love adventure, if you crave unforgettable experiences, and if you want to see Cebu from a completely different angle, this is a must-do. This is Lester Rising Journey, reminding you that sometimes the best views come after the biggest jumps. If this adventure fired you up, like follow and let's keep chasing moments like this.
3, 2, 1. What's up mga ano? Mga kauta, like, share, and
Like, share, and like, subscribe!
like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Last Rising Journey. Let's do this.
If you're wondering how to actually do this activity, here's the good news. Badian Canyoneering is beginner friendly. As long as you're ready to move and follow instructions, you don't need special skills, just a decent level of fitness and a willingness to get wet. Very wet. Badian is located in the southern part of Cebu, about 3 hours from Cebu City by car. Most tours start early in the morning and include transportation, entrance fees, and safety gear, and a licensed local guide. Honestly, having a guide is non-negotiable here. They know the terrain, the water conditions, and exactly where it's safe to jump and slide. Before starting, you'll be given a safety briefing. Helmet, life vest, aqua shoes if you have them, and secure your belongings because once you start, you're in the canyon until you reach Kawasan Falls. No shortcuts, no exits, just pure adventure.
Here's a fun fact. The jumps are optional. You can always take an alternate route if a jump feels too high. But trust me, once you see others jump and hear the cheers below, you might surprise yourself. By the time you reach Kawasan Falls, your legs are tired, your clothes are soaked, and your face probably hurts from smiling too much. If you're planning a Cebu trip and want to know how to do this, what to prepare, or which tour options are best, leave a comment below or send me a DM. I'm happy to share tips so you can experience this safely and smartly. To sum it all up, Badian Canyoneering is raw, wild, and unforgettable. It's one of those experiences that stays with you long after the bruises fade and the videos stop rolling. Again, this is Lester Rising Journey, reminding you that the best adventures start where comfort ends. Like, follow, and let's keep traveling smarter and brave together. Ay, tama. Braver pala.